And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your VIVO X90 Pro louder. So, now to start you have to open the Play Store and look for the volume up. Now choose one of these boosters. I'm always using the Godiv app, so we have to open it, decide that we want to get notification and choose yes agree or no thank you 3 times. Now close this window and click OK. OK, and now the tool is active. If you want to boost your speaker booster, just swipe it to the right. You can see the 16 is max, so just adjust it to your needs. And now if you go back, the tool is still active in the background apps. So if you want to disable it, open the background apps and kill it here, or just open it and just stop service. Then tap on OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.